Hi, my name is Anvita and today we're going to be practicing Paschimottanasana or the forward bending position. Now Paschimottanasana is so called because Paschim means your back and Tana means a stretch. So when you do Paschimottanasana, you're giving your back, especially the lower back, quite a bit of a stretch. So when we start practicing this asana, you want to remember that you're doing it fully within your capacity. I know that it's a complete forward bend, but you don't have to try and touch your toes. You can initially catch your calves or your knees or even your thighs or literally wherever you can reach on your legs. And eventually, as you build up your strength and agility in your lower back, you'll notice that you're able to move forward and practice this asana even better. So do it within your capacity and don't do it in a jerky or very quick way. Do it as slowly and as steadily as you can. So let's get into understanding exactly how to practice Paschimottanasana. Alright, so now we're going to practice Paschimottanasana or the complete forward bend. So for this one, again, you want to move forward and try and catch your toes. But while that is the main aim of the practice, it's alright if you reach only your calf muscles or even only your knees. You don't have to overextend and try to touch your toes. Only do it as per your capacity at this present moment. So to begin this asana, we have our hands by the side of our body. Our shoulders are squared back and our elbows are locked in. Our legs are together in front and we're sitting completely straight up. Now you're going to take the inhalation, take your hands in front of you and take them over and above your head this way. Now you're going to maintain here for a few seconds and now you're going to start bending forward. But when you bend forward, you don't want to do it this way. You only want to make sure that you're doing it from the lower back. So there's a huge difference in how you bend forward. So when you bend from here, you're going to take your hands up and then you're going to start bending from the bottom and reach your hands forward and you're going to catch the big toe with your fingers and then you're going to place your head and touch your knees. You're going to wait there for a few seconds as long as you can and then you're going to come back up, release your hands, take your hands over and above your head, release, exhale, slowly and come back down. So that's basically how you practice Paschimottanasana or the complete forward bend. But again, as you saw in this practice, I was able to touch my toes and put my head to the knee, but you don't necessarily have to push yourself in that direction. Even if you're here, as long as you're doing the asana to the best of your capacity and your breath is normal, it's absolutely fine. Now, to improve in this practice, you can think of going downwards a little more each time you exhale. And hopefully, if you do that on a regular basis, you should be able to complete the practice to your fullest capacity eventually. So just keep doing it to the best of your capacity and don't worry about being in the final posture.